Hello, Crypto Voyage followers. In today's quick update, we'll tackle the recent slump of SUI and HBAR amidst anticipated token unlocks. Let's dive right in. In the ever-dynamic crypto universe, SUI and HBAR are making headlines, but not for reasons you might hope. Both of these tokens are witnessing a decline, overshadowing even Ether's drop in daily trading. And what's the catalyst? It seems to be the looming token unlocks slated for later this week. Now, for those unfamiliar with the term, token unlocks are periods when early investors and project team members, who were initially barred from selling, are finally granted permission. Such measures are typically employed to moderate the selling pressure on tokens. As it stands, data from CoinDesk indices has showcased a 7% dip for SUI, now trading at 54 cents, and a 4% decrease for HBAR, with its current rate at 5 cents. Meanwhile, to provide some context, Ethereum's ETH has only witnessed a minor decline of 0.3%. Drilling down further, token unlocks data reveals that SUI aims to augment its staking subsidies from 967,740 to 1 million SUI, amounting to approximately $540,000. On the flip side, HBAR is gearing up to allocate an astounding 1.15 billion HBAR, equivalent to $64.3 million, to be distributed across network governance, purchase agreements, and ecosystem development. However, it's worth noting that just earlier this month, HBAR experienced a 15% surge after its integration with the U.S. Federal Reserve's FedNow platform. This integration marked a significant 50% price ascension since mid-June, elevating its market cap to over $2 billion. That's our crypto snapshot for today. If you want to stay ahead in this crypto race, don't forget to hit the like button and ensure you're subscribed to Crypto Voyage. Every bit of your support allows us to bring the latest from the crypto world straight to you.